Hi students, welcome back to my online classes. Okay, I am present here with my new video of mathematics of standard 2. Chapter number 2. Title of this chapter is now numbers up to 1000. This is the fourth part of this chapter, and through this chapter, through this video, we will learn about new things. New things what? We will learn how to write number in correct order and some place value. Okay. For example, question. I am going to write a question. Question is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Actually, fill in the blanks related to place value. For example, I have written 47. Okay, so 47 it means, suppose that if question number 2, you can see that I have written 4 question. Question is fill in the blank. Fill in the blank with suitable number. With suitable number it means question is first question 47, second question 59, third question 73, and last question question number 4 is 19. I have written, and after equal sign you can see that I have drawn a box. Okay, and box, I have drawn a box plus 7 I have written. 50 plus dash, dash plus 3, 10 plus dash. It means we have to fill this box with suitable number, okay, to complete this answer. 47. It means you can see that I have written after equal sign 7. It means which number you have to, or you will fill in this box. 7 already I have written 7 because this is the 7 in the place of 7 is once, it means already I have written 7. Now what is the place of this 4? What is the place of this 4? Tens. Ones, tens. It means what? Tens means which number we will fill in the inside this box? 4. 4. No, this is all. We will fill 40. We will write 40 inside this box. Because why I have written 40? Because what is the place of this 4? Tens. Tens means what? Multiply by 10. Given number multiply by 10. So 40. 47. How can we this split the given number? 40 plus 7, 47. After this 59. Already you can see that I have done 50. So which number we will write inside this box to complete this? 59. 50 plus which number required? 9. So we will write 9. 50 plus 9. Now question number 3, 73. 73 equal to, I have drawn a box plus 3. So which number is required to fill inside this box? Which number? What is the place of this 7? Tens. Tens means 7 tens are 70. So we will write 70. 70 plus 3. Now 19. I have written already 10. Which number is required to fill in this box? 9. So this is answer. 40 In question number 2, 9. In question number 3, 70. And in question number 4, 9. This is our answer. Okay. So this is a fill in the blanks with suitable number. Actually this question is related to placement. After this, we will learn how to complete the table, how to write number in correct order. Okay. In correct order. It means we know that already all of you have known uh, table and counting from 1 to 100. After 100, can we write counting also? Yes, we can write. After 100, which number comes after 100? 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, like this. This is counting after 100. And end with what? End with 200. Okay. After 200, can we write counting? Yes, we can write. Which number comes after 200? 201, 202, 203, like this. Okay. And with what? And with 300. So this is counting. Because what is the chapter name? Numbers up to 1000. Okay. So after 100, we can write 101, 102, 103. Complete 200. After 200, 201, 202, 203, we can write up to 300. After 300, we can write 301, 302, 303 lines. So this is counting. Okay, this is counting. Now, after this, we will learn complete the table. If some numbers are given in and that given number to follow some special pattern, and we have to follow the same pattern to complete that the given table. Okay, for example, complete the table. Question number 1. I have written 2, 4, 6, 8. Now, which number is required to fill inside this box? You can see that I have done 1, 2, 3, 4 for empty boxes. Now you have to fill. You have to fill these boxes to correct number. You can see that 2, 4, 6, 8. This is a table. This number is written to follow some special pattern. 2, 2 to the 4, 2 3 6, 2 8, 2 4 8. Now what is the next number? What is the next number? 10. 2 5 10. 2 6 12. 2 7 14. And 2 8 16. So this is the 10, 12, 14 and 16 is the correct answer. Now question number 2. I have written 23, 26, 29. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Question number 3. you can see that I have written some questions. Okay, and inside this box I have written 23, 26, 29, 32, and some boxes are empty. And we will follow these empty boxes to correct number. To correct number, because this given number already, this given number follows some follow some special pattern, so we have to do the same. Okay, for example, 23, 26, 29, 32. What is the next four number? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the next four number? What is the next four number in correct order? 23, 26, 29, 32. What is the difference between first? To know the answer, first we have to find out the what is the difference between first two numbers. This is increasing order na, 23, 26, 29, 32. Increasing order. All number is in increasing order. Increasing order means from smaller to bigger. बढ़ते क्रम में छोटे से स्टार्ट करके बढ़ते चले जाएंगे. 26, 23. What is the first difference between first two number? 26 and 23. Count. 23 already I have written. 24, 25, 26. It means what is the difference? 3 number. 1 second we will count. 26 and between, what is the difference between 26 and 29? 26 already I have written. So leave this 26. After 26 we will count. 26 already I have written. 27, 28, 29. It means 3. So you can see that 23 and 26. 23 and 26 difference between 26 and 23. 29 and 26. What is the difference between 29 and 26? 29, 26, 3. So the difference between each number is 3. So it means this is increasing order. So what is the last number? 32. And we have to add. We have to add 3. What? Which number we have to add? 3 to write next number. So when we add 3 in 32, what is the next number? 32, 33, 34, 35. What is the next number? 35. So 35 that's next number. After this, once again we will add 3 in 35. So what is the next number? 35, 36, 37, 38. What is the next number? 38. Now once again we will add 3 in 38. What is the next number? What will be the next number? After 38 plus 3. 38, 39, 40, 41. What is the next number? 41. What is the next number after 41? Once again we will add 3 in 41. 41, 42, 40, 41 already I have written. 42, 43, 44. What is the next number? 44. So this is our answer. Okay. Now next question, question number 3. I have written 70, 74, 78, 82, and 4 boxes are empty, and you have to fill these empty boxes with correct number. First we have to see this given number to follow some special pattern. 70, after 70, which number I have written? 74. After 74 I have written 78. After 78 I have written 82. So first we have to count 70 and 74. So we have to find out the difference between first two numbers. 74 and 70. What is the difference? What is the difference between 74 and 70? 4 minus 0 equal to what? 4. 7 minus 7 equal to 0. It means what is the difference? What is the difference? 4. So you can see that this number follows some special pattern. It means in each number, in each given number, difference between in each number is 4. 70, count 70. After 70, already I have written 70, 70 leave it. After 70 you count 71, 72, 73, 74. What is the difference? 4 number. After 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 78. After 78, 79, 80, 81, 82. It means the difference between each number, The difference between each number is 4. It means we have to add 4 number. We have to add 4. We have to add which number we have to add 4 to write the next 4 number. Okay, next 4 number. When we add 4 in 82, which number we will find? 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. 82 already have written, plus 4, 83, 84, 85, 86. What is the next number? 86. Once again, when we add 4 in 86, which number we will find? 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. So we will find 90. After 90, which number come? Once again we will add 4 in 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. 94. After 94, when we add 4 in 94, which number will come? 95, 96, 97, 98. This is our answer. What is the answer? 82, sorry, 80, 86, 90, 94 and 98. 86, 90, 94 and 98. This is our answer. Okay, after this question, last question, 15, 20, 25 and 30. This number also follow some special pattern. We have to follow the special pattern for the same to find out the next 4 number. 15, 20, 25, 25, after 25, 30. It means first we have to know what is the difference between first 2 number, 20 and 15. What is the difference between 20 and 15? 5. 15 I have written now. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It means 5. It means in each and every number, the difference between each and every number is 5. So this is increasing order. We have to add 5. So when we add 5 in 30, when we add 5 in 30, what is the next number? 35. Once again, when we add 5 in 35, what is the next number? 40. When we add 5 in 40, what is the next number? 45. When we add 5 in 45, what is the next number? 50. So 35, 40, 45 and 50. This is the answer. This is our answer. It means this is our answer. So through this example, you can solve some other questions which is given in your textbook. If you have any problem regarding this question to complete the table, you can ask me. Okay, students? Thank you.